Today I decided to make a clock out of hubcap Ford F150 hubcap. Let's get it going. I need to cut it down to make it flat. It's broken, everybody, so it's not a good hubcap. Clean it up, measure it, get my gloves going. Let's mix the epoxy. I'm doing blue, green, brown, and clear. This video take me about to record it about 144 minutes, and I did have long time to make it, minute and a half. So it's really like not easy. Now, bang! Let's have fun. There you go. It's like a spaceship. Anyway, let's get it together. Choose the right clock for it. One day and a time, like they said, yeah. Glue those clock. 12639, working good. Let's hang it. Looking good.